Yo, what's up everybody? It's Coco. And let me tell you, today's video is going to be absolutely epic. We're diving deep into the music scene, exploring the bands that redefined genres, pushed boundaries, and left an unforgettable mark on the world. Get ready for mind-blowing performances, legendary stories, and a whole lot of rock and roll. Make sure you stick around until the very end because I'm going to reveal my personal favorite, and trust me, it's a tough choice. First up, we've got to start with the band that needs no introduction, the Beatles. These four lads from Liverpool weren't just musicians, they were a cultural phenomenon. From their catchy tunes to their iconic hairstyles, John, Paul, George, and Ringo took the world by storm. I mean, seriously, have you ever heard a Beatles song you didn't like? It's impossible. Their music transcended generations, influencing countless artists and leaving an unforgettable mark on music history. We're talking about Shea Stadium, man, a sea of screaming fans, Beatlemania in full effect. It's incredible to think about the impact they had, not just on music, but on fashion, culture, everything. The Beatles weren't just a band, they were a revolution. Next up, we're jumping into the world of rock and roll with the legendary Rolling Stones, Mick Jagger's electrifying stage presence, Keith Richards' iconic riffs. These guys were the epitome of cool, they were raw, they were rebellious, they were the bad boys of rock and roll, and their music, timeless. Just imagine, man, being at a Stones concert, the energy, the excitement. It must have been insane. Their music has this raw power that just grabs you and doesn't let go. It's the kind of music you can blast on a road trip, at a party, or just when you need to let loose. Get ready to be blown away because now we're talking about U2. Bono's powerful vocals, the Edge's unmistakable guitar sound. These guys created anthems that have become part of our collective consciousness. Their music has this incredible ability to connect with people on a deeply emotional level, and their concerts, dude, legendary. Stadium-filling spectacles that combine music, activism, and a whole lot of heart. U2 proved that rock and roll could be more than just music. It could be a force for good. Now let's talk about a band that needs no introduction. Queen! Freddie Mercury, what more can I say? The man was a force of nature, a vocal powerhouse, and an absolute legend. And Brian May's guitar solos, pure magic. Queen's music transcended genres, blending rock, opera, and everything in between. From Bohemian Rhapsody to We Are the Champions, their songs have become anthems, soundtracks to our lives. Just picture yourself at Live Aid, Freddie captivating the entire world with his voice, the energy, the passion. It's the stuff of legends. Queen's music will live on forever. Next up, we're diving into the world of Pink Floyd, the masters of psychedelic rock. Their music was more than just sound, it was an experience. They pushed the boundaries of what was possible, creating these immersive sonic landscapes that transported you to another dimension. And their concerts, man, they were legendary for their visual effects, their light shows. The whole experience was designed to blow your mind. Pink Floyd wasn't just a band, they were artists who created entire worlds with their music. Hold on to your hats, folks, because now we're entering the realm of Led Zeppelin, the undisputed gods of rock and roll. Robert Plant's soaring vocals, Jimmy Page's blistering guitar riffs, John Paul Jones's thunderous bass lines, John Bonham's legendary drumming. These guys were a force of nature. They were pioneers, pushing the boundaries of rock music and creating a sound that was both heavy and hypnotic. Their concerts were legendary, filled with extended jams, epic solos, and an energy that was off the charts. Led Zeppelin's music was raw, powerful, and it left an indelible mark on the world of rock. Get ready to rock because now we're talking about The Who, a band that defined an era. Roger Daltrey's explosive vocals, Pete Townshend's windmill guitar swings. These guys were the epitome of raw energy and rebellion. They were pioneers of the rock opera, pushing the boundaries of what rock music could be. Their live shows were legendary for their intensity, their volume, and their sheer power. The Who didn't just play music, they attacked it, they lived it, and they left an unforgettable mark on rock history. Next up, we're diving into the raw, emotional world of Nirvana. Kurt Cobain's angst-ridden vocals, Chris Novoselic's heavy bass lines, Dave Grohl's powerful drumming. These guys tapped into something real, something raw, and it resonated with an entire generation. Nirvana didn't just play music, they screamed it, they felt it, and they made you feel it too. Their music was a reflection of their time, a voice for the voiceless, and it left an undeniable mark on the world. Just imagine being at a Nirvana concert, the energy, the passion, it must have been incredible. Get ready for a burst of color and emotion as we explore the world of Coldplay. Chris Martin's soaring vocals, the band's ability to blend alternative rock with these huge anthemic melodies. Coldplay has this incredible ability to create music that's both intimate and epic. Their concerts are legendary for their vibrant visuals, their use of light and color, and the way they connect with their audience. Coldplay's music is uplifting, it's hopeful, and it has this incredible ability to make you feel everything all at once. Last but definitely not least, we're unleashing the heavy metal thunder of Metallica. James Hetfield's powerful vocals, Kirk Hammett's face-melting guitar solos, Lars Ulrich's relentless drumming. These guys are metal icons. Their music is a force of nature, a sonic assault that will leave you breathless. From Master of Puppets to Enter Sandman, Metallica's songs have become anthems for generations of metalheads. Just imagine being at a Metallica concert, the mosh pits, the headbanging, the sheer power of it all. Metallica's music is a force to be reckoned with, and their legacy in the world of metal is undeniable. So there you have it, my friends, 10 of the most jaw-dropping bands of all time. From the Beatles to Metallica, these musical pioneers have left an unforgettable mark on the world. Their music has inspired countless artists, united generations, and provided the soundtrack to our lives. Now, I want to hear from you. Which band from this list is your absolute favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and smash that notification bell so you never miss out on more epic content like this. Keep rocking out, and I'll catch you in the next video.